So in the second video we have created road 1, and with road 1 there is an intersection with Eyelet Street, and we had the software use a custom curb return for the south side and use a default radius of 10 meters for the north side. We've also then applied an alignment on the left edge of bitumen to force or maintain the -3% of the road crossfall across to this particular edge. And then lastly we had the software use a boundary alignment to basically restrict the offset or the extent of the batters that were being applied on the left side. For this particular video we're simply going to be creating road 2, which is this road here, and road 3 using the same template with the addition of a cul-de-sac. So let's go ahead and run Project Assist. So both of these are going to become road strings. That's always very important when you're using civil site design because you can only create intersections with road strings. So road 2 is going to have the road 6 meter template applied. As you can see here, we are going to add a cul-de-sac at the end. So if you haven't seen this before, in the settings you can actually control if a cul-de-sac is checked on what the default values should be used. So you can simply just get it to create the cul-de-sac and then refine or change the values in the settings once it's been created for us. So we'll actually have a look at that after we've created it. Road 3 will simply be using the same template, and lastly we just need to confirm if there are curb returns going to be created what the default radius should be set. So for these we are going to be using 10 meters. Now we click on compute and click OK. Then we're going to close down the PDF. What's happened here is we've got some roads created and some curb returns, fairly simple stuff which we could now start going in and look at refining the design of. The main addition is the cul-de-sac. So the way that the cul-de-sac is drawn is that it uses the end of your road alignment to position the cul-de-sac, and then it is drawn back from there. So let's have a quick look at the cul-de-sac that's been created simply by using the cul-de-sac tool and clicking close to the alignment that was generated by the software. You can see the cul-de-sac name has been used using the road name. It's been placed at the end, and you can see very simply we have applied the radius values found in the settings and then used this pass-through point. So the pass-through point is the end of the main road alignment, which you can choose to change.